Welcome to RV Gear Review. Today we're diving into one of the most impressive transformations of the year, the 2026 RAM Motorhome, modified for ultimate luxury. Built on the rugged foundation of RAM's heavy-duty platform, this motorhome doesn't just promise adventure, it delivers it in a 5-star package. Right from the outside, you notice the aggressive styling RAM is known for, but now refined with sleek body extensions, panoramic windows, and chrome accents. The LED light bar setup, premium off-road tires, and raised suspension hint at serious all-terrain capabilities, making it clear this isn't just a pretty face, it's ready to explore. Step inside and you're welcomed into a luxury suite on wheels. The cabin is wrapped in premium leather, natural wood trims, and ambient LED lighting. There's a full-size kitchen with smart appliances, a spa-style bathroom with rainfall shower, and a motorized queen bed that folds seamlessly into a lounge setup. Everything is voice-controlled, from the lighting to climate, even the blinds. The infotainment system is a massive 15-inch touchscreen paired with surround speakers by Harman Kardon, offering cinema-like sound whether you're driving or watching a movie parked in the woods. And RAM didn't skimp on practicality. Storage is intelligently built into every corner, and solar panels on the roof help keep your essentials powered off-grid. Under the hood, the RAM Motorhome features a powerful 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel engine, delivering over 400 horsepower and immense torque, enough to pull additional trailers or toys like dirt bikes or jet skis. The transmission is smooth and responsive, and air suspension ensures a cushioned ride no matter the terrain. With smart connectivity, real-time diagnostics, and a reinforced frame, safety and reliability remain top priorities. It's a powerhouse with luxury at every touch point. Let's talk about price. This 2026 RAM Motorhome in its fully customized luxury form is priced around $265,000. While it's a major investment, you're essentially getting a high-end apartment with the muscle of a truck and the soul of an explorer. Thanks for watching RV Gear Review. If you love discovering luxury on wheels, hit that like button, share the video, and subscribe for more stunning motorhome tours.